Hey everyone, if you're a blogger or content creator, I've got a cool tip for you today, one that will save you tons of time. I'm going to show you how to use Designrr to transform any of your blog posts into a beautifully designed ebook fast. No need to hire a designer or spend hours formatting. Designrr does all the hard work for you. The first thing you need to do is sign up for Designrr. They offer a simple and intuitive platform specifically for creating ebooks, reports, lead magnets, and other digital content. And here's the best part. The basic plan costs just $27 as a one-time payment. No subscription fees, just a one-time payment for full access to the tool and its features. If that sounds good to you, keep watching to learn how to benefit from this tool. Once you're signed up, it's time to start the fun part. Designrr makes it easy to import your existing content. All you have to do is paste your blog link, or you can upload it as a PDF or Word document. For this demo, I decided to take one of my blog posts and turn it into an ebook. Next, you can choose the format you want the book to be published in. For example, as a PDF. If you're unsure, you can leave it as is. Choose the topic of the book, so Designrr can suggest the most appropriate design themes. In my case, it's blogging. Then click Next. After a brief wait, your content will be imported. Here it is, my blog article, with all its links and images intact. Designrr automatically grabs the text from your blog post and formats it for you. Once you've reviewed the content, click Choose Template. It might take a little bit of time to load the available templates. The tool offers a variety of beautifully designed templates. Pick one that fits your brand or style, and the best part is that everything is fully customizable. Once you choose a template, Designrr will automatically convert your content into a beautifully designed ebook layout. Let's choose this one. You can preview it first to make sure it suits your style. If it does, click Use this template. Now, Designrr automatically transfers your blog post content into this template. It even adds your name and some introductory information that you can replace or delete later. You'll also see a beautiful table of contents and chapters with quotes, titles, and pictures. If your blog post has images or links, don't worry. Designrr keeps them intact, or it will add sample images that you can swap out for your own. Customize your ebook, adjust the layout, fonts, colors, and other elements until it looks just right. For example, let's change this small paragraph by replacing the text and using a different style. Or even change the background color. Simply click on the color box and choose your desired color. You can change the colors for each section separately. If you don't like the changes, just press Ctrl+Z to undo them. Feel free to play around and customize your ebook as much as you like. You don't need any design experience. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, and you can easily preview your changes as you go. When you're happy with your ebook, click on the Publish button, choose the file format, for example, PDF or Flipbook, and export your file. Once it's ready, you'll receive it via email. And here's my finished ebook. To download it to your computer, just click on the small arrow. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've turned your blog post into a beautifully designed ebook ready to be shared with the world. So, as you can see, Designrr makes it super easy to repurpose your blog content into a high-quality ebook. The whole process is quick, simple, and doesn't require any technical skills. And for just $27 as a one-time payment, it's an incredible value. If you're ready to turn your blog posts into books and supercharge your content marketing, I highly recommend giving Designrr a try. You can find the link to this offer below the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss a future tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.